Hey everyone, welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today, we're at Lakeside Gardens in beautiful Lakeside, California, just a short drive from the incredible beaches of San Diego, about 30 minutes to the coast. If you love outdoor activities, Lakeside is the perfect place to live. Plus, the quiet and friendly neighborhood makes it a wonderful place to call home. Today we're showing you the 2024 Silvercrest Kingsbrook Series KB-65. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,456 square feet of space. It's priced at $6,900 with a space rent of $1,695 per month. The home features a 6-foot factory-built front porch and a box bay window for tons of curb appeal. And the spacious carport can fit 2 cars with room for a shed. Let's start the tour by entering through the utility room. This area is super practical, with enough space for a side-by-side washer and dryer combo. There's also plenty of cabinet storage and a door to help reduce noise from the laundry area. Moving into the living area, you'll immediately notice the open floor plan and how much space you have to work with. The stack windows flood the room with natural light, and the coffered ceiling with LED lighting adds a modern, elegant touch. There's a dedicated nook for your TV and additional cabinets for storage, making this space both stylish and functional. Next up is the kitchen, and it's definitely one of the highlights of this home. We've got quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher, and of course this beautiful farmhouse-style sink with a gooseneck faucet. The large kitchen island is not only customizable, but also functional. You can choose different trim, colors, and even add Check out the pendant lights above the island. These lights not only add character, but also provide focused task lighting, making meal prep a breeze. What do you think? Rate this kitchen from 1 to 10 in the comments below. The dining area is next to the kitchen and can easily fit a 3 to 5 person dining table. Thanks to the box bay window, this space feels even larger, bringing in lots of light and creating a cozy dining experience. Moving on to the first 2 bedrooms, you can fit a full-size bed with end tables in both rooms. They each come with standard closets for storage. Next to these bedrooms is the guest bathroom, which features a gray quartz counter design, a large mirror with sleek vanity lights, and a farmhouse style throughout. The tub shower combo has a modern shower head, and don't forget the window above the tub, a small but important feature that adds extra ventilation and light. Now, let's head into the master suite, where we have 2 large windows that let in tons of natural light. The room features a coffered ceiling and is spacious enough to fit a king-size bed with end tables. The attached master bathroom is impressive, with his and her sinks featuring the same farmhouse style as the guest bathroom. There's also plenty of storage on the side and a large standing shower with a rainforest shower head. We even have 2 windows above the shower and an additional light. Small details that make a big difference. And to top it all off, there's a walk-in closet. What do you think of this farmhouse-style master bathroom? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2024 Silvercrest Kingsbrook Series KB-65 here at Lakeside Gardens in Lakeside, CA. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home tours every week. If you're interested in this home, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next tour.